up on the shelves of natural grocers. A little supplement is here to support citizens far and wide with a bountiful bevy of big benefits. Looking for an ageless brain? With a little support from ALA, memory, cognitive function, healthy brain aging, and mental sharpness can prevail throughout your lifespan. Looking to support healthy blood sugar balance? Well, look no further than ALA. It's here to give you a helping hand and turn that frown upside down by supporting normal glucose utilization and a healthy insulin response. Is crushing your healthy weight maintenance goals top of your agenda? ALA supports healthy weight maintenance by promoting energy production and metabolism, in part by supporting the health of our mitochondria, the energy-producing parts of the cell. Overindulge during the holidays? ALA supports the health of the liver and detoxification, and fends off the unhealthy effects of alcohol and eating too much sugar. Want to prioritize immunity? ALA plays a key role in supporting immune function by providing the necessary backup support to all immune cells and components. Too aware of nerve endings? ALA supports nerve health and comfort so that you can feel good in your own skin, especially in the extremities. So next time you need a little support for any of these problems, you don't have to look any further than your local natural grocers and ALA to help.